Do you want to know how to create faceless YouTube videos that will pass monetization and are 100% created by AI tools? This means no creating video scripts, voiceovers, or having to edit videos. I'll walk you through the exact steps I take to create high-quality videos that generate hundreds of thousands of views each month, allowing me to earn a full-time income from YouTube automation. By the end of this video, if you follow every step, you'll be able to do the same. I'll include links to all the AI tools used in the video description, along with additional training on building profitable channels. So, let's jump onto my computer and start creating a faceless video together. First, let's find a video in your niche that you'd like to replicate. We don't want to copy it directly, but use it for inspiration. You can also look at blog posts for ideas, but videos are already formatted in a way that makes it easy to get started. If you haven't selected your niche, I've included links in the description for free training to help you decide on a profitable niche for 2024. For this video, I've chosen a video in the story niche. Once you've selected a video, click on the three dots, choose Show Transcript, and copy the transcript. I'll just take a small part because we're only creating a short video for this training. Next, we'll use ChatGPT to generate an original script. Go to OpenAI.com and set up your free ChatGPT account. Instead of just using the video title, paste the transcript and ask ChatGPT to write a similar but original YouTube video script. This ensures your script is unique. Make sure to review the script to ensure it's completely original. You might need to tweak it to get it just right. I also recommend checking it with Copyscape for plagiarism. Now, let's turn the script into a voiceover. There are two tools I recommend, Muff AI and Well Said Labs. Muff AI is more cost-effective and has a free account to get you started. I prefer Well Said Labs for its highly realistic voices. Once you've selected a voice, paste your script and generate the voiceover. If your script is long, break it into sections to ensure quality. Next, we'll use Pictory AI to bring everything together into a video. Pictory AI uses story blocks for stock footage, saving you time and money. Paste your script, choose your preferred format, and let Pictory AI generate scenes. You can tweak any video clips that don't fit perfectly by typing in keywords and selecting better matches. Add background music from Pictory's library. Adjust the volume so it doesn't overpower the voiceover. Preview your video to ensure everything is synced and sounds great. To add more value, I use Descript for captions. This tool also provides a transcript for better SEO on YouTube. Highlight the text, add captions, and customize their appearance. Ensure they're easy to read and match your brand. And there you have it. A high-quality, faceless video created entirely with AI. If you want full step-by-step training on planning and growing profitable YouTube channels, check out the links in the video description. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next training video.